Most people see a crow and think it's just another black bird. But you're about to meet one of the smartest creatures on the planet. Crows can recognize human faces, solve multi-step puzzles, use tools, and even hold funerals. But the real question is, how did a bird end up with intelligence rivaling primates? To understand the crow's rise to genius, we have to go back about 60 million years. Right after the dinosaurs went extinct, the world suddenly became a playground of new opportunities. And one group of birds-the ancestors of crows and ravens started, evolving in a direction almost no other birds did. They became thinkers, strategists, and problem solvers. While most birds specialized some for speed, some for flight, some for swimming, crows adapted by becoming flexible. They survived by learning, and evolution rewarded them with something unexpected. A brain that's small, but incredibly dense. It's packed so tightly with neurons that in some crow species, the neuron count matches that of monkeys. That means quicker decisions, better memory, and the ability to process complex tasks at lightning speed. But their intelligence didn't evolve in silence. It was shaped by challenges. Imagine living as a crow. Your food changes with the seasons. Your predators vary from city to forest. And survival depends on noticing patterns. Over thousands of generations, the crows that could think creatively, those that could open shells, drop nuts onto roads, mimic sounds, or invent new behaviors, were the ones who survived. That creativity exploded into something we almost never see outside humans and primates. Tool use. New Caledonian crows craft hooks from twigs. They bend wires into shapes they've never seen before. They even manufacture tools in multiple stages, a level of planning that many mammals fail at. In one famous study, a crow named Betty bent a straight piece of wire into a perfect hook to lift a bucket from a tube, without ever being taught how. She simply figured it out. Their social life also pushed them toward intelligence. Crows live in tight family groups, sometimes with multiple generations cooperating. They teach their young. They share knowledge. And when one crow learns a new trick like dropping nuts on crosswalks so as crack them open, other crows copy it. The behavior spreads like culture. But here's where it gets truly wild. Crows remember faces. If someone threatens them, they won't just fly away, they'll remember that person for years. They'll warn other crows, who then teach their offspring who the dangerous human is. In experiments, scientists wearing specific masks were scolded by generations of crows who had never seen the researchers before. That's not instinct. That's learning, communication, and memory woven together. Their intelligence shows up in emotional ways too. When a crow dies, other crows gather silently around the body. For a long time, people call these crow funerals, but now scientists think they're redoing something even more impressive. They reinvestigating the cause of death and teaching the group about potential threats. It's like collective survival training. And the most impressive part? Crows thrive anywhere: forests, cities, farms, mountains. Their genius ice and tan accident. It's a survival strategy that turned them into one of evolution's most successful problem solvers. So the next time you see a crow perched on a telephone wire watching you, it's not just a bird, it's a thinker. An innovator, a survivor shaped by millions of years of challenges that rewarded curiosity over speed and intelligence over instinct. Crows didn't just become smart. They evolved to outthink their world one problem at a time.